Good day to you and welcome to this channel. Today's math video is on special probabilities. We've got our two hunters, Hendrik, whose probability is hitting 3 out of 8 targets, and Ari, whose probability is hitting 2 out of every 5 targets. Both open fire at a bear, at an animal, and it got hit. So what then is the probability that it was only one of them that hit the animal? This kind of probability deals with the probability of success and that of failure. Success here doesn't mean necessarily something good, but it simply means the probability that an event, that the desired outcome actually happened. So first we're going to make some representation. So we will let the probability that Hendrik hits the target be probability of A, and the probability that Ari hits the target be P of B. Now from the problem, Hendrik has a probability of 3 out of 8, while Ari has a probability of 2 out of 5. Now, these are the probabilities of success for both hunters. So we need to also talk in terms of their failures. That is the probability that they miss the target, and they are given thus. Now, since the probability of success and failure must add up to 1, then the probability that Hendrik missed the target is going to be the P of A prime, and that's going to be 1 minus the P of A, the probability that he hits the target. And that's going to be 1 minus his success rate, which is 3 over 8, and that is going to be 5 over 8. In a similar manner, the probability that Ari missed the target is going to be P of P B prime, and that is also 1 minus his probability of success. And for him, it is going to be 1 minus 2 over 5, which is 3 over 5. Now let us find the probability that it is only one of them that hits the target. Now, only one of them hitting the target means that it could be that Hendrik hits the target and Ari missed the target, or it could be that Hendrik missed the target and Ari hits the target. So this is written in this form. Probability of A for Hendrik hitting the target intersection B prime for Ari missing the target, union probability of A prime, Hendrik missing the target, intersection B, which is Ari hitting the target. This is further broken down into probability of A times B complement for they being independent events. The or there means plus. That's probability of A complement times the probability of B. And this is going to be 3 over 8 for the success rate of Hendrik times 3 over 5 for the failure rate of Ari, added to 5 over 8, the failure rate of Hendrik, times 2 over 5, the success rate of Ari. And this is the sum of 9 over 40 and 10 over 40. So the probability that only one of them hits the target or kills the animal is 19 over 40, or in decimal that's about 0.46. 875. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of our subsequent videos. And in the meantime, you can browse through this channel to find more exciting math tutorials. Thank you.